These unique borders you have to see to believe. International borders are some of the most interesting man-made locations on the planet, and many have some incredibly stunning views. Borders define not only us, but who we are. Simple lines on the ground, man-made or geological, in a seemingly meaningless place separates one culture from the next. The boundaries of countries are often some of the most fought over and safely guarded locations in the world. Here are 9 of the most unique and weird borders you have to see to believe. Bala-Nassau, Netherlands, and Belgium. Bala-Nassau is a unique border area in the southern Netherlands, with small Belgian enclaves scattered around, some even containing Dutch enclaves inside them. This confusing layout results from historic land swaps and makes managing the area complex. Some buildings and houses are split between the two countries, and people have moved their front doors to different countries to save on taxes. The Northwest Angle, USA and Canada. A map mistake misplaced the start of the Mississippi River, creating a part of Minnesota that extends into Canada. It can only be reached by land through Canada or by air. This area, north of the 49th parallel, is mostly forested with about 100 residents, mainly First Nations. Children here have a long school commute that involves crossing the border multiple times a day. The DMZ, North Korea and South Korea. The Demilitarized Zone, DMZ, between North and South Korea is the world's most tense border. It is 155 miles long, 2.5 miles wide, and filled with weapons. Established in 1953 after the Korean WTR, it includes the Joint Security Area at Panmunjom, where meetings and negotiations occur. This area is a stark reminder of the political and ideological divide, with frequent border incidents. Jung-Holz, Austria, and Germany. To get from the Lech Valley to the Jung-Holz Valley in Austria, you can either hike over Mount Sorgskrofen, which is 5,364 feet high, or drive through Germany. The exact border point is marked on a rock and can be difficult to navigate. Jung-Holz is a quiet farming community but has a unique geography that allows it to take advantage of German banking rules, attracting private banks. Hotel Erbe, France, and Switzerland. Near Geneva Airport, the Hotel Erbe sits on the border between France and Switzerland, with parts of the building in both countries. A businessman built it in 1862 to take advantage of a treaty that changed the border. The hotel's dining room and kitchen are split between the two nations. Libya, Spain, and France. The Treaty of the Pyrenees in 1659 gave some northern Spanish territories to France, but Libya remained Spanish because it was classified as a town, not a village. Today, Libya is a Spanish town surrounded by France, connected to Spain by a 2-mile neutral road. Kaliningrad, Poland and Russia. Kaliningrad, a Russian enclave on the Bay of Gdansk, is separated from mainland Russia by Lithuania, Estonia, and Latvia. Formerly known as Königsberg when it was part of Germany, it was renamed and repopulated after World War II. Today, it is heavily militarized due to its strategic location. Penedès de la Gomera, Morocco and Spain. Penedès de la Gomera is a Spanish fortress on the Mediterranean coast of Morocco. It was an island until 1934, when a storm turned it into a peninsula, creating the world's shortest international border, just 90 yards long. The fortress is guarded by Spanish soldiers, and the border is marked by a piece of string across the beach. Diomede Islands, Russia and America. The Diomede Islands in the Bering Strait consist of Big Diomede, Russia, and Little Diomede, USA, separated by 3 miles of water and the international dateline. Big Diomede is uninhabited, while Little Diomede is home to a First Nations community. The islands are close enough that they almost touch across the border in time zones.